Hey guys, so make banga stew with me. Let me show you guys my banga. I've already boiled it, so this is it. I'm going to pan this and remove this water. I'm going to pan it. So in here I have some chicken, as you can see, and I have here. I'm about to wash it. This is Saint leaf. In my language we call it ewogo. So this is ewo, Saint leaf, popularly known as Saint leaf. I'm going to wash this and cut it as well. As you can see, we have onions here. And this is my dry fish. This is catfish, dry one. So I'm also going to wash this because I'm going to use it as well. And I have fresh pepper here. Most of the ingredients are not here. Okay, so I'm going to carry you guys along with this cooking today. So if you're just coming across my channel for the first time, you're highly welcome to my channel. Please like, comment, share and subscribe. So let's cook. This is me adding some maggi. I want the meat to marinate water itself before I'm going to add water when it starts boiling. So no adding of water now. Yeah, let's cover and allow it to steam. Okay, I want to start pounding now. Now it's time for me to start pounding my ofaku. Okay, this is banga. The chef, this is all the chef that I got, so I'm done washing it. So guys, this is our meat. I'm done boiling everything and you can see this is the quantity that we have here, and also this one as well. I'm going to use it to make this banga stew, ofaku, aka ofaku. So this is everything I've got after boiling it. So I have to cook it so the water will go down before I can start adding any other ingredients that I'm going to add in this soup. You will have to cook it, of course. You have to boil it, so everything will have to reduce. You can see, let me show you. This is the length of the water before. This was the length. This place you are seeing this mark here. This was the length here. This place you are seeing this round mark here was the length of it, but it has boiled down. As you can see now, it has boiled down. So I have to make here I have it's fresh pepper with crayfish. I already panned it, so you can see I already panned everything together. So yeah, because our banga is thick now, can you see? So it's done. So I need to add, cover it. Now it's time to add my meat, my chicken and everything. This banga big. Wow. Wow. This banga big. You guys, while cooking this banga, I'm also boiling water aside, so everything will be ready at once. I don't want to do 2 times work, so I want everything to be ready at once. This is my rice that started to boil. I usually add groundnut oil when boiling my rice. Reasons because it makes the rice to be one. It doesn't make it to stick together, so the rice will not stick with each other. That is why I usually add vegetable oil to my rice whenever I'm boiling or cooking my rice. Okay, yeah. It's time to add my fish. You guys, it's time to add scent leaf. It's time to add this scent leaf into the soup. So wow, our food is almost ready. Wow, yummy. Can you see that? Can you see? Yes. I'll just let it boil a little, then I'll off the gas because everything is ready now. Yes. You guys, banga stew is ready. Done and dusted. Yes, I don't finish for this one today. So thumbs up if you are seeing this video, like, share, comment and subscribe, and follow me as well. Follow me if you are seeing this video on Facebook. Please follow me if you are seeing this video on YouTube. Please subscribe to my channel. Thank you guys for watching. But before I end this vlog, let me show you guys my rice, the rice that was boiling together with the banga. Let me show you guys. I need to turn off the gas now because it's done. Yeah, I've turned off the gas. Now you see the oil. This is the oil. So yeah, done. In here I have the rice. Rice is already done. I told you guys I usually add oil to my rice when boiling. So this is the outcome of everything. Done and dusted. Yep. Bring your plate, let me serve you. Bye. Thank you for watching. Bye. Banga stew to the world. Can you see? Water go. Done and dusted.